Today's Townie News Bite comes from Zirc of Buffalo, Minnesota, with the introduction of two new products. The first product is Airway Armor, a durable, comfortable alternative to the rubber dam that prevents aspiration or ingestion of foreign objects and debris during a dental procedure. The company says the product can be used for a variety of procedures, including extractions, implants, direct or indirect restorations, orthodontics, or pediatric procedures. The second product introduced is called the Pink Petal saliva ejector attachment. This single-use attachment slides onto a traditional saliva ejector to provide continuous, hands-free suction with no additional attachments necessary. By placing the Pink Petal on the buccal side, the saliva ejector will stay in the back corner of the patient's mouth without obstructing the clinician's view. Continue the conversation online at dentaltown.com. Content provided by